Magandang buhay, Doc Bandalaria and classmates. Good day, everyone. Surgeon po ulit ito, and I'm very happy to have been given the opportunity to join the group that will report Module 1 of our course, particularly about educational technology, what it is, and what it is not. Very easy lang po ito, no? And by the way, pasensya na, I'm not feeling well, kaya ganito po yung boses ko. Pero sabi ko nga, Adja, laban. Yes, okay? So we begin with our objective for today, no? So ang objective po natin is that you as my fellow distance educational learners will be able to distinguish between definitions that appropriately characterize educational technology and those that do not, thereby clarifying its role in the learning process. And of course, to make it engaging, here's what we're going to do, no? Gagawin po natin yung isa sa mga ginagawa namin sa mga classrooms namin among our Gen Z and Gen Alpha learners. This is the game we call Real o Fake. Alright, di ba? So basically po, no, ito lang po yung bagong version natin ng ano, ito lang po yung bagong version natin ng tama o mali or true or false, no? So what we'll do is that we have 5 statements about educational technology, no? Ang gagawin nyo lang po, no, you will determine whether each statement is true or false, or shall I say, real, or fake, no? So sasabihin nyo lang po among all of these statements, alin ang real, alin ang fake, no? And this is your chance to show off your knowledge. Remember po pala, no, that for each correct answer, you'll be earning a star. O, di ba? Engaging, no? And my challenge for you is that you need to get all 5 right and you'll achieve the ultimate prize. What is that? 5 stars. O, di ba? Para magkaroon naman po ng challenge itong ating simpleng discussion. Okay? So, are we ready? Sige, subukan po natin with our first statement. Question number 1 or statement number 1. EdTech is using multimedia technologies or audiovisual aids as a tool to enhance the teaching and learning process. Is this real or fake? 3, 2, 1. The answer is... Yes, the answer is real. Ayan, no? And in this definition, I would like to highlight the words tool to enhance, no? So basically, we understand that EdTech utilizes these technologies to enhance the teaching and learning process and rather than to replace the role of the teacher. Kasi alam niyo po, madalas na misconception po ito among educators. Napapansin ko po no, sa mga kapwa natin educators na kapag sinabing EdTech, feeling nila this is something that can replace the teacher. Kaya ang ginagawa na lang nila, magpapanood na lang ng video, that's it, no? Pero hindi po. What I learned from my undergrad years in education, no? Ang lagi pong sinasabi sa amin noon, the teacher remains to be the greatest instructional material. Or in our context, the teacher remains to be the greatest educational technology, no? Balikan po natin yung words kanina. It's just a tool to enhance. It does not replace the teacher, no? And in here, I would like to share, no, this very interesting quote from George Couros, na isang ano ba ito, leading educator, no, and a sought after speaker regarding teaching and learning process na nagsabing, technology will not replace the teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. That's beautiful, no? And by how I apply this no in my own classroom, halimbawa niyan, I'm teaching economics no among our grade 9 students. So yes, I use technology to enhance the teaching and learning process para mas maging ano ba ito, mas effective po sa kanila, mas mag-appeal po sila, appeal po sa kanila because they are digital natives. Gusto nila tech related ang ginagawa, no? That's how we enhance, no? That's how we use technology to enhance teaching and learning process. It does not replace me. It does not replace the teacher, no? Ganun po yun. So that's our first statement. Now, we proceed to our second statement. EdTech refer to the uses of technology in management and administration of educational institutions. So is this real or fake? 3, 2, 1. The answer is Ayan 'no. So ang focus po kasi nitong, statement na ito sabi niya in management and administration. So that includes halimbawa 'no, yung ating management of student records, yung sa registrar, marketing, procurement, finance. If we use technology in those matters, hindi po yun EdTech 'no. Ang ginagamit po na term actually ng ating reference 'no, ng ating module is educational management technology or educational, ayan, management information system or EMIS, no? So yan po ang tamang gamit, hindi po siya EdTech. So basically, no, paano po natin nakikita ito? By the definition in here, EMIS, sabi dito, refers to the, ano ba ito? Collection, integration, processing, maintenance, and dissemination of data and information to support decision making, policy analysis, and planning, monitoring, and management at all levels of an education system. Kaya dito pumapasok yung admin and admin tasks, management tasks that are in relation to technology. EMIS po ang term natin doon, no? So in summary, we see that EMIS is centered on administrative functions. Ginagawa ng ating head teachers, principals, no? While educational technology is focused on the teaching and learning process. Basically, EMIS is for our administrators, educational technologies for the teachers and students. As easy as that. Let's proceed to our third statement.